Hi my YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be making some jerk chicken and some honey barbecue chicken. So this is me preparing my vegetable overnight to put on my chicken so that it can marinate. So I've got my scallion, my onion, my thyme, and I've got the jerk season all purpose and some paprika over there, and that's what I'm gonna be using on my jerk chicken. So just chop up that scallion, onion, and thyme, and when it's chopped up, there you go. That's how you chop it up. And then we're going to put it in the blender and we are going to blend this up. So we are going to put some olive oil now. And guys, if you don't have such a great blender or it's very powerful, just dip a little bit of water to help you to blend it out. So now it's blended out. And guys, as you can see, that green season, oh my God. When you're doing your jerk chicken, do your season this way. Now I'm putting in some all-purpose seasoning. I'm putting in some chicken season, and this is the jerk season. It's got pimento and everything inside of it. This is some paprika, and now I'm putting some Celtic salt. So we are gonna blend this all up together so that it incorporates, and that's how it looks. Look at that. That looks so delish. So now we are putting our seasoning on our chicken. So make sure that you wash your chicken with lime or lemon or vinegar. So now we are just marinating, just incorporating everything so it can be marinated. And this is overnight that I've done it. So you left it overnight. And this is the barbecue chicken. I just put barbecue season all purpose and some barbecue sauce on there. And it's going to be marinated overnight as well. So do your jerk chicken and your barbecue honey chicken overnight. This is how it looks in the morning when I am ready to put it on the jerk pan. We've got a smoker. We don't really have a jerk pan that you use, but this is a smoker and it is so good. So there is our smoker. Now I'm going to open my smoker. It's really hot, and this is so good to make your jerk chicken because you get that smoky flavor. It is really great, guys. So you can get one of these smoker too. So now I'm gonna put my chicken on my smoker. So just put all of your chicken on your smoker like you see I'm doing here, guys. And yeah, just do the thing, man. Do the thing. This jerk chicken was just so lovely. So if you do follow all of the steps that I showed you, your jerk chicken is gonna be delish. And if you don't have a smoker, you can always do it on your pan. So guys, as you can see, I almost finished putting my jerk chicken on my pan. So I'm putting the jerk chicken to smoke for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then after, I will put the barbecue because I want that smoky flavor in my jerk chicken. Yeah, guys, when you do your jerk chicken on the pan and you get that smoky flavor, it is just so delish. So put your jerk chicken on your pan and look, that's how it looks. You can see that seasoning from overnight on the chicken. So everything is just gonna just be so tasty when you finish making your jerk chicken. So guys, make sure that you do this. And I covered my pan, and now this is about 10 to 15 minutes when I smoke my chicken. So this is a smoker, guy. You don't have to worry if your chicken gonna really burn up or anything, because it cooks the chicken like an oven, but it gives it that smoky flavor. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So this is about 15 minutes when we done smoke my chicken. And then I'm gonna add on my barbecue chicken. After look at that, that just starting, guys. Like, oh, that just start. That's just a smoky part of it. Now I'm gonna put in my barbecue honey glaze chicken, and I'm gonna show you how I do the honey glaze at the end of this. So put your barbecue chicken on. If you don't have a big smoker like this, guys, you can do it in the oven, but do it on the smoker. Do it on the smoker or your jerk pan. it would be great. It's gonna be tasty. So as you can see, I'm just putting all my chicken on the smoker, and I'm gonna shut it down now for about 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, because I can gauge this. There's a temperature on it to gauge it, so you don't have to worry if your chicken gonna burn up, like when when you have a jerk pan and the coal under it and the fire blazing and thing, and you have to pull out the fire, all of this. You don't have to do that with a smoker. So that's the great thing about a smoker. So as you can see there, I am turning my chicken. So keep turning your chicken so that it can cook properly. So right through. So because so you have to get the chicken well done, Oh, so yeah, that's it, guys. That's about 25 minutes to 30 minutes in, because we're cooking it slow enough so we can get all that flavor, the smoke and everything. So that's how it look, guys. Ooh, that look good. So now again, I'm showing you after I close it down for another 15 to 20 minutes, and this is how it looks, guys. So this is gonna take you about 45 minutes to an hour, because this is a smoker and it's not a jerk pan with coal. Because when you have a jerk pan with coal, it cook quicker and your chicken will get burned up. So this is basically slow cooking it, getting all that flavor, the smoke. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh my god, that looks so good. And it was so tasty. It was so tasty. So I would advise you, do this jerk chicken recipe. Do it. It's really delicious. So now this is my jerk chicken. At this point, about 45 minutes, the chicken is cooked right through. So I'm just gonna put it on the top bit of my grill, because on the top bit of my grill, it's not gonna burn or anything. It's just gonna be in there getting the smoky flavor, and it's still gonna be cooked through a bit more. And you know that I put my barbecue honey glaze chicken like 10 minutes after, so I'm gonna leave it on the bottom one so that it can cook more, so that it can get well done. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that looks so delicious. Don't that look delicious, guys? Yeah. So close your pan again. This is me after about 15 minutes, and now I'm putting in the honey glaze sauce on there. So all I did was I put my pot on the stove, and I put some honey in there, and I put a little bit of barbecue seasoning, and just a little tip of what's in it, a lemon, just a little tip, not too much, guys, because you don't want to overpower it. So put your honey in your pan and put some barbecue sauce as well, just a little tip, and some lemon. And now I'm just putting my honey glaze over the chicken and putting it back on the grill, and we're gonna leave it for about 15 minutes, just to get the honey flavor in there, so it glaze it, so it just soak in and ting. Yeah, man, you know what I mean when I tell you that. Yeah, so do this, guys, and that's it. That's about 15 minutes, and look at my jerk chicken on the top and the honey glaze. Now I'm taking out my jerk chicken, guys. Look at that is well done. Like look upon that. Oh, that is well done. That is well done, and that is great. And I'm telling you, this jerk chicken, oh, it is delish. It was so delicious. It was so delicious, guys. So try this recipe, and if you haven't subscribed yet, just subscribe, guys. Just subscribe. It's free. Thank you so much for subscribing to me, and to all my subscribers. I love you guys for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, just click that subscription button, man. Just click that subscription button. And that's the jerk chicken, guys. Look how succulent that looks. Now I'm taking off my honey barbecue glaze, and I'm putting it in my bowl. So, guys, I'm going to give you a close-up look when I finish putting my barbecue honey glaze chicken in the bowl. I'll be showing you how it looks. You're gonna see how delicious it looks, guys. Like 5-star style. 5-star style. So that's it, me done putting in my chicken in my bowl. And look at that, look at the jerk chicken, look at the honey glaze. Like, oh, that is so, it just look good, it just looks so succulent. And this is just me putting some garnish over my chicken to make it look pretty, you know what I mean? Yeah. So guys, look at this, look at this. Oh, look at that honey glaze. Like, look at that honey glaze. That look good. That look good. Don't it, guys? That look good, man. That look good. I love it, man. And now look at the jerk chicken. Yeah, that's the jerk. The jerk chicken look so good. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. And you know I'll be chopping more videos soon. So subscribe.